We are now in an era where every business has embarked on a transformation journey, seeking to drive business value, increase agility, flexibility, and speed to market. Cloud is a key enabler to realizing these objectives. Many organizations have started to modernize their current estate, investing heavily in virtualization and automation, and they will need to continue investing to gain further efficiencies over time. However, to deliver true business value, we envision a much more powerful and varied environment. The reality for most enterprises will be a hybrid multi-cloud model, a mix of on-prem and off-prem, a combination of different cloud providers in an open environment. The exact mix will be the one that makes most sense for your business needs, and it will continue to evolve over time. The challenge this brings is, how do you first create and then manage this new hybrid multi-cloud estate? As headline sponsor, you will see IBM throughout the show, sharing how we can help to advise on the right mix of cloud for your business. We can help you to move, build and manage the multi-cloud environment which meets your business needs for today and tomorrow. From our 9 theatre sessions featuring stories from a selection of our clients, to our breakfast briefings covering the benefits of multi-cloud and how to unlock the power of AI, to our impressive stand experience featuring many real-life case studies, deep dive clinics, and an opportunity to take part in the labyrinth, our very own escape room experience. If you are keen to learn more, come to Cloud Expo. Have a chat with one of the many experts on the IBM stand. Discuss the business challenges you are looking to solve and understand the next steps. Let us help you to discover the art of the possible on your journey to the cloud.